when I stood on the podium 5 years ago and declared that I wanted to make the University of Johannesburg the University of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. And of course, 5 years later, we are here. The university now produces 2,800 research units. To predict what is going to happen in the future, you have to plan it and you have to execute it. And that's exactly what we are doing here.
One of the challenges which remains an impediment to government efforts to provide the necessary infrastructure is the corruption in the construction sector, including these construction mafias, who as government we are very determined we're going to deal with them relentlessly. Despite several measures put in place by government, the housing backlog in South Africa is still unacceptably high at more than 2.3 million houses. This is despite the expected increase in the Department of Human Settlements expenditure at an average annual rate of 5.3% from 29.1 billion in 2020-21 financial year to 34 billion in the 2023-2024 financial year. In the midst of these challenges, we are pleased, however, to note that the Department of Human Settlements has been making attempts to streamline the housing delivery processes, as we have been told today.
The Department of Science and Innovation has made a strong case for 3D printing and emphasized the technological solutions to our socio-economic malaise today. And with machines like this, with programs like this, projects like this, and with partnerships like this, now I can tell you that our efforts and our desire to address this human right, are within our grasp.